Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily use your Android phone as a compass. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. So, in order to use your phone as a compass, you need to download on your phone the program Compass. To do this, you need to go to Play Store. In the search bar, we enter the word compass, and we will see various applications that help to navigate the terrain. You can download them. I, for example, chose and downloaded the Digital Compass app. You can install it, and then you open it. And as we can see, we have the northern direction, indicated here by the letter N and shown by such a red stripe. And if we hold the phone in our hands and scroll through it, we can see that our compass starts to spin, showing us the north direction. That's how you can use your Android as a compass. But naturally, what I want to warn you is that the compass on any phone, it doesn't display full accuracy, so there may be some deviations in direction. So keep that in mind. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.